Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Crimson Desert and the game keeps crashing on launch, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Crimson Desert crashing on launching easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up Steam and now you're going to right click on Crimson Desert. I'm going to use another game as an example. You're going to click on your properties, you're going to go into install files and you're going to click verify integrity of game files here and you're going to verify the game's files. Once it's done with that, now you're going to go ahead and update your graphics card's driver. So whatever card you have, update your graphics card's driver. If you have an NVIDIA card, I'll show you NVIDIA first. Afterwards, I'll show you AMD. So you're going to come here and then you're going to click on to drivers then. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to fill in this form. So you're going to select your graphics card here. And once you're done with that, click on to start search and download the latest game ready driver for your graphics card here. Here it is, just download this one. If you have an AMD card, you're going to search for AMD GPU, go on to AMD.com then, and then you're going to click on to solutions, and then you're going to click on to resources and support, click drivers then, scroll down, click graphics, Radeon RX, your graphic card series, and then your graphics card, click submit, select your operating system, and then click download on this recommended driver, and then download and install the drivers. Once you're done with that, now you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, now you're going to go to Crimson Desert's folder. So the default location should be in your C drive from files 86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Crimson Desert. You're going to right click on the CrimsonDesert.exe file, click properties, and then you're going to go into compatibility. You're going to click run this program as an administrator and also disable full screen optimizations. After that, click apply, okay. And now you're going to go ahead and try to play Crimson Desert and you're going to see that your game will now work. It will not crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.